I do not stop with the uploads for you here on AnthonyAllenEdits. I upload every single day. My name's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, AnthonyAllenEdits, the YouTube channel that is all about teaching you how to edit so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you would like to tell them, and you have full creative control. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your channel art for your YouTube channel just using your mobile phone. So we're going to be creating channel art for your channel, or showing you how to create channel art for your channel using a mobile phone application. And the software that we're choosing to use is Canva. Now Canva is completely free to use. All you have to do is to sign up like you sign up with any other website. Like for example, you can just use your Facebook account if you have a Facebook account already on your mobile or your iPhone. Just click that Facebook account to open up a free account, and then you can start using the software that you've downloaded on your mobile. Okay, so once you've downloaded Canva to your phone, in my case I'm using an iPhone, you should see this icon here, which is in the top left, which is basically the C for Canva. If you cannot see that, I'll just put it up on screen there. I'm going to click this. This should open up Canva. Just taking a while to load. Should be there in a second. I'm going to hold my phone up so you know that I'm doing this in real time. And you should also see what's going on the left or the right of me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect with Facebook. I'm going to click continue to sign in. If there's an issue with Facebook, because I've got like a two-part notification security preference, then we'll just do it with Google. Because I'm on my mobile, I don't think there was any issue. There wasn't. No problems there whatsoever. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to wait for everything to load up properly. And from the top row that I'm going to move now, from left to right, you can see that there are designs, templates, or what type of thing you want to create. You can also scroll down to have a look at templates firsthand. What we're looking for is YouTube channel art. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll across until you see, I don't know what happened to my voice then, until you see YouTube channel art. So here we go. So that's the icon with the YouTube logo. It says YouTube channel art. We're going to click this. Okay, so here we go. So we can start with a blank YouTube channel art, or we can go to any of these templates that are available to us. Now we're going to select a template, and I think I'm going to select quite an easy template to get us started, and basically showing you how to do this in the easiest way possible, so that you don't get complicated, or you can apply yourself further so you know what you're doing. From here, what we're going to do is we're just going to select something. Just looking for a template that I find interesting. I like the gaming one that was there. There's a lot going on there, so we're going to select this gaming channel art right here. So here we are. So now from here, what you can do, you can have a look down, and you can see that there are other templates that relate to what we've selected, or for example, you've got the gamer one that's come up at the top, or you've got other ones that you can select. In our case, we're going to stick with the one that we've got, so we're going to touch edit. You will now have the capabilities of editing your channel art firsthand. Now this is quite an easy one because there is no picture backgrounds there, but you can literally just click around. For example, you can change the text that is being given here, and every function that you have available on your phone is still there. So when I'm zooming in and out, you can see that's moving the text around. This is actually in the resolution of what is needed for your YouTube channel art as well. So when you export this, this will be 100% ready for your YouTube channel, so you can upload it. You can change the colors of things. For example, this green here, if I move that out of the way, you've got a whole color panel. It's not letting me go to there. We go. So you can change the color of each piece of element here. We can also do the same for the others. Images can be added. Shapes can be added. You can select your shape. For example, if I go for a camera shape, we're going to search for a camera shape now. You can see that there are free versions and there are premium versions. The ones that don't say free are not free. The ones that say free are 100% free. So for example, if I wanted this camera effect in there somewhere, you can see that it's there. I'm going to change the opacity of that. You can change the opacity, so making it invisible or visible. You can also change the color of that element, and every single color that you've added to your art will then become available the next time you go to select a color, which is absolutely brilliant here. So I'm going to make this half, I'm just, you know, slightly invisible there. The problem of overlapping things is it becomes quite hard to make it a selection. Obviously you're selecting with your thumb or your finger, so that can be quite hard. You can change the text entirely. So if we double click that, we'll click the text. It's getting really hard to select the text. There we go. So you can select your text. So I can put Anthony Allen Gaming. Quite easily we've changed that around. We've created something different. I've shown you how to change the colors. You can also add your images as well. So for example, if I go back and I go out here and I go to add, we can actually select an image from my camera roll. So let's just, for example, do I need to blur any of this out? No, I do not. No, I do not. We can add this little emoji guy that I've created. So there's a little emoji guy that I've got there. You've also got images from the website that you can use as well. So not only can you have the images from your mobile camera roll, you can also use images from your website, and you can search from the Canva website, and you can search, for example, game. If I search game, there we go. We can insert this one here. We can also change the size of this by using the pinch technique that you do on mobiles. So I'm using a pinch technique and stretching things around and moving things around. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into YouTube channel art again, and we're going to select one with a picture background. So I'm going to try and select one with a picture background to show you how that also works. So here's one right here. We're going to select this one. We're going to click edit. This is another example that I'm giving you. And we're just going to click on these background images if we can, if it will allow us to. Or maybe just drag and drop an image in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to drag. There we go. It's an emoji image just there. I've just changed the size of things. I'm also going to use a picture of myself. Why not? And then on the end, I am going to use... I'm not sure yet. What should we use on the end? This image just here. We can change the shape and size of things, obviously. So we're just going to change. So there's me in Kidwelly. Might actually change the end one to another picture of myself. Just sounds really conceited. Can try and move things around. And you can change the text, which can be really hard to see on your mobile. To vlogs. Now once you've got to that stage and you're happy with how your edits turned out, you can just literally click done. And then what you want to do is you want to download it, and you can do that by pressing the share button, which is in the top right hand corner. And then you've got the options to save your image, send it to Facebook. I, in my case, always like to save the image so I can do something with it later. But that would be completely ready. Do you like Canva? You can just click yes, or just click the X if you don't want to, you know, mess around with that. So there we have it, guys. Even if you just have your mobile phone, you'll be able to create your channel art for your YouTube channel with ease. It's just a case of tampering around with the application, getting used to it, learning how to edit pictures with your fingers as opposed to a mouse and a keyboard, stretching things around, rotating your screen maybe to get a better shot so you can see what you're doing as opposed to using it in the portrait mode like I did. And that will allow you to then get started editing a YouTube channel art just using your mobile phone or your iPhone using Canva. Remember, guys, I upload videos here on my YouTube channel, AnthonyAllenEdits, every single day, so do not miss a thing. I've got another video coming up for you right now, definitely worth watching, and that's coming up at the end of the video. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss an upload, so that you can learn how to edit things the way that you would like to, so that you can tell the stories in the way that you would like to tell them. Thank you for watching this video here on AnthonyAllenEdits. My name is Anthony Allen, and I will see you in the next video on AnthonyAllenEdits. How many times did I say that? See you in the next one.